Hello viewers, welcome to another project tutorial by Project Maker. In this video, I will be teaching you how we can capture a screenshot using Python in only single line of code. Before starting, if you are new to this channel, then hit the subscribe button and click on bell icon to watch my video first. So without wasting any time, let's move to our computer screen. So as you can see, I have already opened Python projects for beginners playlist in front of you, and I have already uploaded a lot of projects for new Python beginners. So let's add another project in this playlist. For that, let's move to our destination folder. So as you can see, this is our destination folder and it is empty. So let's create a new file in this folder by opening VS Code. So as you can see, the VS Code has opened. Now I will just type the name main.py as our file name. To take a screenshot, you have to install a package called as PyAutoGUI. So let's install that package first. So I will just open terminal and just write pip install PyAutoGUI. So as you can see, my requirement is already satisfied as I have downloaded it. Now let's import the package. Import. Now to take a screenshot of this screen, I will just type one command, which is pyautoGUI.screenshot. So this command will simply take a screenshot, but we have to save the screenshot after taking it. So for that, I will store this command in a variable. Let's say capture, and I will just type capture.c so that the screenshot will be get saved in the same directory. So I will just write save.png. So this is our entire program, which is very small. So I will just minimize the screen to show you the output. So this is currently our main file, which is this file. I will simply run this file, and as you can see, the screenshot is captured by our program, which is this one. So this is a screenshot, as you can see. So this was the basic project using which we can capture a screenshot. I have created a beautiful GUI for this project that I will show you just now. So I will just close this file and open another folder. So I will open this folder in VS Code. The source code of this project is very simple. I will explain it to you. So this is that project. So let's understand the code. First package is PyAutoGUI that we use in our program, and second is TakeEnter. TakeEnter provides Python developers to create a user interface. Now let's move ahead. The next is take screenshot function. So the code in this take screenshot function is the same that we just wrote in our program. This function I have simply created an object of TakeEnter in this line, as you can see, and then use geometry function to set the screen size of our output GUI. After that, I have simply created a button in our GUI which has text as take screenshot, command as take screenshot, which is this command. So when we will click button, then it will simply take the screenshot and print save, as you can see. After that, I have simply placed this button in middle of the screen. So for that, I use the parameters as rely x 0.5, rely y 0.5, and anchor is equal to center. So this parameter will make our button horizontally center, and these two parameter will make our button vertically center. So let's run the program to show you the output, and just see the output carefully. As you can see, the moment I run the program, it automatically printed save, which means the program has already created a screenshot before I click this button. I will show you the output. So as you can see, this is the screenshot that it has taken. So I will simply delete it and just close this program. As you can see, the function take screenshot gets called automatically when we just run the program. This error has occurred because we have passed the take screenshot function along with the circular braces, which means that whenever the program will get run, the take screenshot function will get called at that moment. which we don't want. So for that I will just simply remove it, and in front of that I will simply added background color, foreground color and font that I forget to told you. So I can just write it in this way also for better explanation. Okay, this is right, and simply let's run the program. And as you can see, saved is not appearing here, which means the program has not taken screenshot yet. So I will just simply minimize the screen and just show you the output that there is no screenshot here. And once I click take screenshot, the screenshot of this screen will get appeared. As you can see, the screenshot has appeared, but in this screenshot, as you can see, this window is coming, which we don't want. Now I give a challenge to you that you should remove this screen and take a screenshot and upload the source code in comment section. I will also give one hint to you that you have to think how can we just minimize this tick enter window so that it will just get minimized automatically, and after that you can take a screenshot. So this is a task for you. I hope you accept the challenge. So this was all about today's video, and if you want source code of this today's video of this GUI based tick enter, you can simply access my blog website, which is projectmaker.me. So this is my beautiful blog website where I upload my source code of my YouTube videos. Here comes the end of this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching this video.